New tonight, a push by the state to help lower the number of deadly drug overdoses in this state.
A new program allows pharmacists to go out in the community and prescribe a drug that reverses the effects of an overdose. News 8's Jackie Slater is live in News 8 Control with the details behind this new initiative. Jackie?
And the number of deadly overdoses in Connecticut increased by nearly 25% from 2015 to 2016. And pharmacists have been able to prescribe and train people to use Naloxone, also known as Narcan, for a while now. But the Connecticut Department of Consumer Protection is seeking out companies and organizations to host pharmacists at special training events all across the state to get this life-saving drug into as many hands as possible.
Does anyone in this room know anyone who's overdosed? Okay. Wow.
Education and training aimed at saving lives. As the nation's battle with opioids and addiction continues to grow, so does the push to combat it.
When in doubt, use it. Listen, this is about saving lives.
This seminar is the first of its kind in the state. Employees at Frontier Communications in Hartford being trained to administer Naloxone.
Then using your thumb and your forefinger, you pull the cap off the medication.
And then you could have a coworker who's overdosing here at work. So we wanted to make sure folks knew about it, knew how to treat it, and what to do if they were ever faced with that situation.
So everybody that's here today is going home with one of these, an overdose kit that has things like sterile wipes and gloves. They also go home with 2 doses of the nasal form of Narcan.
Handing out the emergency medication, licensed pharmacists granted off-site prescribing privileges by the Department of Consumer Protection.
It's all about access. It's all about having many different types of situations where people feel as comfortable as possible to be able to learn as much about saving people's lives.
In Connecticut last year, 917 people died from drug overdoses. Hartford leading cities and towns with 61 deaths. Bridgeport 48, and New Haven coming in third at 43. Commissioner Jonathan Harris telling everyone here tonight they are the first being given this opportunity to help lower those numbers. But this is just the beginning of the state's latest efforts to solve the crisis.
We hope this is just the first of many, many events so that we again provide access to people, to loved ones, to caregivers that want to be prepared to help their friend, their family member, their neighbor.
And in most cases, insurance covers the cost of the Naloxone. Frontier paid for any copays associated with prescription plans for this event today. Another seminar is planned for this Sunday in New Britain. That one is open to the public. We have information on that one on our website at WTNH.com. Live in News 8 Control, Jackie Slater, News 8.